Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn some super useful English words that you can start using every single day. We'll show you the word, a picture, to help you remember it, and of course, how to say it correctly. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first word is delicious. D-E-R-I-C-O-U-S, delicious. When something tastes really, really good, you can say it's delicious. Look at this picture of a chocolate cake. That looks delicious. You could say, this pizza is absolutely delicious. Let's say it together one more time. Delicious. Next up, we have exhausted, exhausted. This word means you are extremely tired. Maybe you've had a long day at work, or you didn't sleep well. See this person yawning? They look exhausted. You can say, after running the marathon, I was completely exhausted. Try saying it with me. Exhausted. Our third word for today is hilarious. H-E-I-O-S. Hilarious. If something is very, very funny, it's hilarious. It's stronger than just saying funny. This picture of a cat wearing sunglasses is hilarious. You could tell a friend that movie was hilarious. I couldn't stop laughing. Let's practice hilarious. Moving on, let's learn the word gorgeous. G-O-R-G-O-S, gorgeous. This means something or someone is incredibly beautiful. You can use it for people, places, or even things. Look at this stunning sunset over the ocean. Isn't it gorgeous? You might say, what a gorgeous view from the top of the mountain. Your turn. Gorgeous. Now for a very useful one. Essential. E-S-S-S-E-N-T-A-L. Essential. If something is essential, it is absolutely necessary or extremely important. You can't do without it. For example, water is essential for life. In this picture, you see a first aid kit. It's essential to have one in your car. A sentence could be, a good dictionary is an essential tool for language learners. Let's say it, essential. Let's look at the word ancient. Ancienti, this describes something that is very, very old, from a time long ago. Think of the pyramids in Egypt. They are ancient structures. This picture shows some ancient ruins. You could say, we visited an ancient castle in Europe. Practice with me, ancient. Our next word is enormous. E-O-N-O-S. Enormous. This is a great word for something that is extremely large or huge. It's bigger than just big. Look at this enormous elephant. It's massive. You can say, he lives in an enormous house with 10 bedrooms. Let's try it. Enormous. Here's a great word. Fascinating. F-S-C-I-N-G, fascinating. When something is extremely interesting and holds your attention, it's fascinating. Like this picture of the galaxy. Space is fascinating, isn't it? You might say, I read a fascinating book about the history of science. Your turn to say it. Fascinating. Almost done. Let's learn furious. F-U-R-O-U-S, furious. This means you are extremely angry. It's much stronger than just mad. This person's face shows they are furious. You could say she was furious when she discovered someone had scratched her new car. Let's say it together. Furious. And for our final word today, joyful. 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 This word means feeling, expressing, or causing great pleasure and happiness. It's a wonderful feeling. Look at these children playing and laughing. It's a joyful scene. A wedding is a joyful occasion. You can say, hearing the good news made me feel joyful. Let's say it one last time. Joyful. Fantastic work, everyone. You've just learned 10 new words to make your English sound more natural and expressive. Remember, practice is key. Try to use one of these new words today. Which word was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.